In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can get jobs from your videos if you're a roofing contractor or contractor in general. This video is specifically made with the roofing contractor examples because that's my niche and we travel to a lot of roofing companies. We shared a lot of roofing company stories, but it will work. The principles will work for any construction business. If you read any analytics of our behavior, what we do on a day-to-day basis, it's insanity. Like, I cannot comprehend it. I cannot explain it. I can only adapt. I'm analyzing my own behavior. I analyze behavior of my customers and I pivot my business to reach them. Think about this device right here. Average person touches their cell phone 2,600 times a day. Addicted person or very active person like myself, probably close to 5,400 on a higher spectrum. So think about this. We pick up device 3,000-4,000 times a day. Now, if you break down what we actually do, what do? We scroll and we watch. We watch videos. Videos are killers and people spend more and more time watching videos per day. So as a business owner, you must be in front of the search. You must get their attention, but it doesn't mean that you're going to be doing just any videos. As a business owner, you have to be smart. It's quality over quantity. If you create bad content one time, they're not going to want to watch you second time. They're just going to scroll super fast. So you have to be careful. I'm going to focus on 3 platforms: Facebook, YouTube, and Google. This is what I do for my businesses. This is what I do for my clients. So number 1 is you want to have optimized company story. If you're a roofing contractor, you're already in the neighborhoods. You're already doing the jobs. Your vehicles should be wrapped. You should have yard signs. When people see those yard signs, they see a vehicle on the ground, what they're going to do on the road? They're going to Google your company name. What do they see? Do you have a video for them to watch when they Google your company name? Look at this. If you type in DT Roofing, so DT Roofing, I'm actually flying to them today. So DT Roofing in Dallas, if you type in, and I'm talking about Google search, Google search will show you YouTube video on the first page of Google. You know how marketers selling you first Google page? Well, what if I tell you that you can actually get on the first page of Google pretty much guaranteed with the company story video? Now, there's few rules for that video. The video has to be clickable because YouTube has to like it. People have to click on it. And then once they click on it, they have to watch it. They're not going to watch if you're just going to brag about yourself, brag about your business. They're not going to do that. And your retention rate going to be super low. So Google not going to recommend it and you're not going to make it to the first page. So you want a third-party validation. You need someone else to tell the story. For example, Hook Agency actually just came to a couple days ago and I loved it. And I let them do it because when someone else come into your business and they share your story, it's a third-party validation. We like those stories. If Business Insider will come in and share a Roofing Insider story, I guarantee you that story going to be on #1 search on Google. So find someone to do third-party validation company story, to tell your story without bragging, without telling them that you're a boss, but just sharing who you are. So we've done it many, many times. I'll give you a couple examples. If you type in T. Williams Roofing, you'll see their video. So Google now shows you video results on the first page of Google because Google know consumer behavior and they know that if there's a video on this topic, people would rather watch the video versus read the article. So for T. Williams Roofing, you see they have actually Facebook videos. This is crazy. So T. Williams, amazing company. We love them a lot in Houston. So they have Facebook video published on May 27, 2021, comes on the first result under videos. Then T. Williams Roofing was live, but T. Williams Roofing, another Facebook video, September 7th. And then you see April 27, 2022, my channel published how Chicago roofer Tom Williams is rolling in Houston. 3 videos. Now, someone who Googled their company name, I mean, they have a reason to Google. Maybe they already got an estimate from them and they're comparing estimates and they're doing more in-depth research. Maybe they're doing T. Williams reviews. Wherever the search is, I promise you these videos will show up. When they do, it'll help to close the job. So company story video helps with their decision. I remember in 2015, my roofing company, Storm Group Roofing, was searched 200 times per month. We were doing 5 to 10 jobs per week, and people are Googling us a lot. They see our ads, they might see your TV ads, they might hear you on the radio, but when they Google you, serve them. You own it to them. You have to be in front of your consumer. And quality company videos should cost, I mean, if someone travels to you like we do with our team, it should be $10,000, $15,000, the best money you'll ever spend in your life. Number one, not only it's going to put you on the first page of Google, but number two, you're documenting your journey. You will feel good about your business. You will document where you at that year. And like, I love watching my videos from the past. I love watching my roofing company from 2015 videos with my team. What did we do? I take pride in it. And I'm happy that I invested in videos early on. I can show it to my kids, I can show it to my team, and I can document my journey. Capilla Roofing, another example here in Hawaii. We traveled to them, same thing. You can see all the results. So they have Angie's List listing, they have Instagram, they have BBB, and right there, Hawaiian $40 million roofing, Capilla Roofing on YouTube. You guys can do it too. Mr. Roofer in Tri-State, same thing. Google it. And you, by the way, can Google on your search, like your company and your competition, and see what comes up. Mr. Roofer, same thing. His story comes up on first page. Number two, second type of content that I want you to create that helps you in your business is create controversial or educational content for virality. Now, when it comes to viral content, it's just like writing songs, right? Artists, professional artists will tell you, and I'm talking about like rappers, singers, no one knows what will go viral. When artists write a song, there's no guarantee. They don't know what people will like. Miley Cyrus probably did not know that Flower is going to be number one. It's phenomenal. Like, everybody went crazy because of TikTok, social media. She also wrote 20 other songs before and after that did not go viral. If someone tells you that you can create viral videos, they're lying to you. And you should not focus on viral videos. That should not be your business strategy. You should be consistent, and what I'm teaching you is create controversial or educational content. Create content that have some kind of conflict. And conflict is not a negative word here. Like, for example, as a contractor, you can create best and worst products. You can create content about what doesn't work, about mistakes. Top 5 mistakes what homeowner makes. It sounds like a negative content, but it's not. It's actually very positive. We learned from our mistakes. This insurance adjuster lied to me, or insurance company denied this claim, but we got it approved. There's a conflict in that story. So it's controversial, but it's very watchable. When you solve someone's problem, you are creating viral content for your business. And it could be 1,000 or 2,000 views, but for you, it's viral. Because if 1,000 people from your target audience will watch it, how many of them will call you? How many of them will say, well, maybe you can help me? If you take your camera and say, hey, Mr. and Mrs. Smith here, got their insurance company denying their claim. We stepped in, we fought them for 6 months, and we got it approved. If you live in this town and maybe your insurance company is denying you, call us, we'll try to help you. Guess what? If 1,000 people watch it and they have insurance claims denied, what are the chances that they're going to call you? So we've done content with Chad Wilson. He won many cases against State Farm. Most recent one is Conklin, a roofing MLM model. Glick Roofing. So we traveled to Glick Roofing. He was talking about controversy around Conklin business model and their products, ponding water. It's industry talk, but that video went viral. Homeowners, business owners were contacting him. It's like, hey, thank you for that video. I did not know that I could not install this roofing system on a flat roof, and this is what I have. And actually, I have the same problem in another building. Thank you so much. So Glick Roofing is getting jobs from that video. It is controversial, and it's good. Look at this one. State Farm insurance adjusters gone wrong. 751,000 views 9 months ago. Our little Raymond. So actually did a podcast with Raymond, and he shared the back end of that story. If you don't think they're getting business out of the video, you are wrong. They do. Now, what's the budget for that video? Nothing. Zero. Just take your phone and record the inspection. Upload it to YouTube. See what's going to happen. Maybe you will get 750,000 views. Who knows? But I promise you this is how you get jobs these days. You don't get jobs by telling people how good you are. Hey, my name is Dmitry. I'm the owner of Storm Group Roofing. Hire me. People don't care for that. They want you to be different. They want you to grab their attention and maintain that attention to the end of the video. And they want you to solve real problem. And on top of that, people are selfish. They don't care about you. They only care about themselves. People are not going to watch anything if there's not something for them. You would not click on this video if you did not want to learn. There's nothing that I'm selling you. I'm telling you what you should do. And this is why you keep watching. Do the same thing for your people. How can they save money? How can they get claims approved? What's there for them? Think about it. And last one is create ads. Here's 2 examples of ads that we're running right now. Short ads. There's 2 little clips. Let's watch them together. You want to try Directory.com, the safest way to find a contractor. Every listing on Directory.com comes with a $20,000 guarantee. If you hire a contractor from Directory.com and he does not finish the project and disappears or takes your money and runs away, Directory will reimburse you with a check or will find someone else to finish the project. $20,000 guarantee covers theft, covers even manufacturer defects for certified Directory contractors, and it's absolute no-brainer the place to find trustworthy contractors these days. Directory is free to use. Just go to the App Store, download the app, and start browsing contractors in your area now. It is the safest way to find a contractor. You know how crazy this is? When I started my business in 2013, you know how much TV ads were? Probably same as today, anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000. You can practice creating your ads today. That video took us 1 day to create. You take your phone, you talk to it, you take couple practices, rehearse, like try again until you write basic script. That video was like, I think 43 seconds. Super easy. Anybody, if I can talk for 43 seconds, you can talk for 43 seconds. Tell me what you do. Tell me the problems you solve. If you're in an area that's affected by hail or hurricane, talk about it. Hey, Dallas homeowners, you got hail last week. We know about that. We're trying to get to as many people as possible. If you get affected, if you didn't have inspections yet, let's schedule it together. I highly recommend you have contractor present during inspection. Whatever you want to say, wherever the key points is, treat it like homeowners are watching you. Treat it like you're on a plane with a homeowner. He has a house. You can serve that house. You can get the job. What would you tell him if you only have 1 minute? That's your ad, right? Create it. Then go to Facebook. Put $10 per video per day. Put a zip code or even a neighborhood around your business within a couple miles and see what happens. People should be practicing. Business owners should be practicing creating ads. You can create 1 ad every single week. Show me your face, show me your job, show me what you're doing, and target that neighborhood, that area. When people are scrolling, guess what's going to happen? They're like, oh, I know that road. I know that neighborhood. They're right there. Maybe I should call them. You can reach so many people with this. Look what we're doing with the DT Roofing in Houston, the company I'm flying into today.
My name is Randy Hurtado, and I'm the co-owner of DT Roofing. We serve
Love
all
that company.
areas west of the DFW Metroplex, from Hood County to Somerville County, all the way down to Stephenville and Weatherford. DT Roofing provides both residential and commercial roofing applications, whether it's new construction or insurance replacement. And that includes all applications from composition to metal, to stone-coated steel, to TPO, and other flat roofing materials. So I mentioned a moment ago that we are Owens Corning Platinum Partners, but we've also been voted since 2013 by the citizens of Hood County Best Roofer. That is an accolade that we cherish the most because these are customers who took the time not only to use our services, but to reach out and vote for our company. So we're very happy to serve our community and look forward to doing so in the future. My advice to homeowners seeking a roofing company is to ask around. It's likely that your neighbor or people in your neighborhood have chosen roofing companies in the past, and their experience matters. Of course I'm going to recommend my company because I have interests. However, a person who has utilized a vendor is always going to have their best interest in mind, and their experience matters.
Absolutely love it. Anyone can create this. DT Roofing is a big player in their area. People already see in their vehicles, they already see their billboards, and they know where the office is. Now you have to get their attention on their phone. You can literally call local videographer to follow you for a day. You can create a good video in your office for 2-3 minutes talking about your business, and then your videographer will put the video together. Just add a little bit B-roll, highlight what you're describing, answer 3-4 questions, upload it, run ad with it. So those are top 3 videos that I recommend every roofing contractor to have in their arsenal to get more jobs. For me, it's not content just for the sake of creating content. I never turn on that camera if I don't have a clear message or a clear value proposition. You're the business owner first. Create content that will bring you jobs, that will earn you more business. Let's summarize what we learned today. Number 1, everybody should have a company story. YouTube optimized company story for top search on YouTube and Google. That's the video for people who already have interaction with you and doing more research. They've heard about you and they're Googling. You have to control your Google search. I would highly recommend put that company story on the front page of your website. Number 2, create controversial or educational content. That's for educating them further. That's for being found. We call them discovery videos. How people would find you. It's a search-based content. So when people search in, like, not only a roofing contractor near me, but how to file insurance claim, how to find a contractor, what to do if my claim gets denied, what not to do, what to do. You're the expert. Maybe they're searching for the product. Something like Owens Corning Flex review, or is Malarkey a good shingles? If you have answer to that question, people will find you. And if they watch you as an expert and you're within their range, guess what? Next thing, you might be getting a phone call. Hey, I watched your video. I like the content. Would you give me a price? And the last one, practice filming ads. Ads are free to create these days. You can create it with so many tools online. You can learn how to do it. Anyone can do 30 to 60-second video, and the budget to spend on it so cheap now. You can literally start with a Facebook with $10 a day just to practice it, just to get a hang of it and see what works, what doesn't work. Comment below what you think. If this video brought any value to you, give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.